In this video, we're going to learn about switch in JavaScript. Okay, just create new file as usual called switch. In JavaScript, switch is a conditional statement like if statement, just like in any other language. Okay, to understand what is switch in JavaScript, we can write this example. Okay, do something like this with switch keyword. Okay, we can try to run this code. Let's open it in the browser. Okay, you can see that it will print all of this because we forgot to add the break. It will print the cat and below. It will not print the dog but cat below because we forget to add the break statement. Just add break here, here, and here. Okay, so we can try to refresh the page again. It will print meow. Basically, switch is just like a if statement. So we can pass this variable here inside the switch keyword parameter, and then inside this switch keyword we can define some cases. In this case, if the case is dog, if the animal is a dog, it will print this line, and cat this line, lion this line. And then if the case is not found, so it will print the default value. It will execute the default value. For example, maybe we can change this to x, and then it will print animal not found. Animals are not found. As I said before, that if we remove this break in here, okay, if we put lion here, it will also print the default value because we don't add break. If we add break, it will only print the lion. So if you want to print, if the value is dog, you want to print all of this value below down, you just remove the break here and it will go below down. So it works like that. Okay, maybe that's enough for switch, and let's go to the next video.